We're going to talk about brake grease. We need brake grease for these brake pads. If you put these in dry, all your contact points are going to get rusty. They're going to get clogged up with road dirt, road salt, and you're going to end up with pads that stick, pads that don't move properly, you'll get uneven wear. Modern brake systems need, and I mean absolutely need, to have a proper brake grease. These things are formulated to work inside the wheel. They're formulated to work at high temperatures. They're formulated to work with road salt and with all of the different metals and components that are in that brake, and to last for a long time. Your brakes are doing 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000 miles, and this has got to last all the way through. All we're looking for is contact points and sliding surfaces. See, on the back of these are rubberized shims. When the piston pushes against this, bites into the rubberized shim really, really tightly. And that rubberized shim creates a friction between the pad and the piston, which stops the pad from moving, holds it nice and tight. We're going to use a proper brake grease. Plastilube's what we developed for original equipment. We use it on our OE side, we use it on our aftermarket side. It's the right thing for the job. It's a non-conductive specialist brake grease. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our pads, we're going to work out where the contact points are. In this case, with the hammerhead pads, it's here and here. And that's our sliding points. We're going to just take a little fingerful and we're just going to do that with it, we're going to do that with it, and then we're going to put that pad into its carrier and make sure it slides. That's it, nothing else. The right brake grease, the right amount of brake grease, and the right place. That's what you got to know.